Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more good information. What we're talking about now is other maintenance issues of your dishwashers other than using cleaner to clean them. Now, a lot of dishwashers have filters that need to be cleaned also. Most of them you don't know about them because you never knew they were there. Well, let's go to this one real quick here. Okay, this is a Gen Air, but this is actually a removable, filter screen. Okay, and this actually, water goes in here, gets pulled through here. This will get real icky and dirty. You need to clean this also, okay? What this will cause is lack of water flow, because as this screen, you can see it's real fine mesh screen in there. As that gets clogged with stuff, you have less water flow. You have less water flow, you have less pressure here, which means your dishwashers just don't get cleaned as well, okay? So like I said, this is something that you want to check, make sure, see if you have, is something along these lines that actually goes in there clean. It basically just sits there, and while you got this out, you might as well pull this out also, and this is also a filter screen that also needs to be maintained and cleaned also on a regular basis, okay? Now that's just one of those, just take a look, see what you have. They're all a little bit different, but they all come about the same kind of way, okay? As I can't see me putting this back in correctly, there it is. Okay, and this is on a Whirlpool Gen Air style model. Now over here we have is a GE style, okay, that has something similar. This one's a little more complicated because I can pull this off. This basically clips in like that. Now it rolls. Just basically pop, twist, and this is what I'm turning this right here, because this is basically sits there and spins. You can pull that out, okay, and once again we have a filter, a little clean. Now these on the G's, that same filter was a little bit larger, okay. Those just unscrew, okay. Oh, come on, get out of there. And this will lift off, and you have the filter here that needs to be cleaned, okay. If you don't feel comfortable about doing that, you can have someone come out and do it for you. Yeah, there's a charge for it. No one's going to do it for free. But that will also make sure your water's flowing properly, okay? Now, like I said, most models are different, but they should have some sort of filter you can clean. Now, if you have an older school, give me a second, let me get this back together, and we'll look at some older ones, okay? And then this just kind of goes, and yes, be it at my belly level, makes it a lot easier to get to than if it was on the floor like most of you are going to have. So take that into consideration. On the same token, the LGs will have a similar thing. Now, like I said, this is more realistic. This is pretty much like what you're going to have there. Let's see, it's actually a twist and pop out, and you got your little screen that actually collects stuff in this. If you don't clean this out, it's going to cause issues with your dishwasher, okay? And same thing here. It just lifts out, okay? Now you want to be careful when this is out not to let anything fall in there, because this will keep all really large particles out of your washer. Some of the older school dishwashers actually had what's called a chopper. So it would actually just basically work as disposal and get all the food particles and a lot of things. These new ones don't have anything quite like that. So you want to make sure this is what they went to, is having something like this to keep all the big food particles out, okay? So this is something you should do periodically. You know, if your dishes don't seem like they're getting as clean as they used to, or you don't quite hear the sound, you used to the sound of the water hitting the sides, this is something you need to look at, because this is going to affect a lot of how much water flows. And like I said, if you have less water going through here, you have less water to push. You have less water to push, you have less force on your jets. So keep that in mind. This is some maintenance that you can do real easy, real quick. Saves you a trip, because my dishwasher's not working. I'm calling the tech out. He's going to look at this going, here's your problem. That'll be $80. Thank you. Okay. This is something you can do that'll save yourself some money. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to come back for more good information later on. Have a wonderful day.